Hello, this is Julie, and I am coming to you today. This is our second video on our DIY circuit kit, which is a great Christmas present or holiday gift for kids. You can find the details at juliehogwriter.com, my family lifestyle and food blog. And today I'm here with my son. He is going to help us build a DIY fan using the components from our DIY circuit kit. So laid out here we have the components. The first one is a simple motor. Then we have some paper, a button, and the 8 AA battery holder, battery pack, and scissors, and a hot glue gun. And so today he's going to show us how to build this DIY fan. First off, he is going to take the paper and cut the paper. And we're going to just use, we just have a piece of computer paper, and we're going to use this paper to create our fan. He's going to fold it. And then he's going to cut it with the scissors. Younger kids could get help from parents to do this. He just folded in fourths here. And the older kids can obviously do this on their own. So he's got a little square of paper. And out of this square of paper, he is going to make some cuts to make it look more like a fan. So do some cuts, like a triangle shape, on the first side and the second side. Making more cuts here, making it look like a little paper fan. This kit is customizable. You can add as much or as little as you want. We used a organizer for a tackle box. In my previous video we showed that you can take one of those and fill up all the compartments with the components of the DIY circuit kit. You could make it smaller or bigger. We have both a 3 battery compartment holder and an 8. The 8 has more power, obviously. Okay, so now he's taking the hot glue gun, which your kids might need help with. Older kids probably can handle on their own. He's putting a little dab of the hot glue in the middle of the fan, paper fan, and he's going to attach it to the edge of the motor. Now I'm not real technical, I don't know what that little piece is called, but it's the little metal stem that's sticking out. And so he's hot gluing the paper to it so that it will spin when it's attached to the battery compartment. So there's the battery compartment with the 8 batteries. One thing I'll mention again, which I did in my last video also, is that to always store the battery compartment by itself. Don't have the batteries in it. If you have the batteries in it and the wires touch, it can get very, very hot to the touch, just sitting in the fishing tackle organizer, and it will get very, very hot to the touch, and it can even ruin your battery holder. So now he's connecting the button. He's taken the exposed wires. The rubber has been removed on the end so that it's just exposed wire. He's twisting it, and he's going to connect it to the button. So twisting it again to make sure that he can fit it through the button. And so you kind of have to like thread it through there. And he's got it threaded through. This is a great learning tool for kids. I mean, like, I've learned just from him how to do this kind of stuff. It's not something I knew how to do. I wanted to make another kit. I have several kits on my website for kids. I have one as a craft kit. Another one is slime making kit. I even made a sushi making kit, which are great fun gifts for kids that you can make on your own at home. And then it's kind of like a homemade gift, and it's just kind of a unique gift for kids. You can find those on my blog at juliehogwriter.com. You can search for, I usually call them a DIY something something kit, so you should be able to search and find that on my my blog. So he's connecting the button here, and he's connected the red wire to the button, and now he's connecting another wire. He's taken, we have, in the kit we have just like some wire, and then which you can just remove the rubber from the ends to expose the wire. Just regular wire. And on my blog you can find the exact components we used to make this. He is connecting the wire to the motor. So we can see the little paper fan there that he's created. And now he's connecting the wires to the motor. And once he's done, we will be able to see how this works. This is just like that. It spins. So since it's a closed circuit, it spins. All he has to do is push that little button and it makes the paper spin. And he's going to turn it sideways so you can see it a little bit too. Oh, there. I'll turn it a little bit sideways so people can see the other side of what it looks like. Alright, that is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.